While Amanda McBroom is probably best known for her role as Judge Advocate General Captain Philippa Louis in what is generally considered one of the best Star Trek The Next Generation episodes, The Measure of a Man, it might also surprise you to learn that she wrote the song The Rose, first made famous by Bette Midler in the film of the same name. According to McBroom, she wrote the song in under an hour in 1977, attempting to make something Bob Seger-like in the hopes of getting a record deal. She performed the song over the next couple years with little fanfare before it was tabbed to be used in the 1979 Midler film.